still fly, I know. I'm still fly, let's go.
Hi guys, I'm Emma.
Hey guys, I'm John, and we're Emma and John, you're welcome.
Welcome back if you've been here before, and if you're brand new,
Welcome.
hello. So we thought we would take you on a tour around Flusco Wood Lodges.
Absolutely, we've done a tour of our lodge, so go and check that video out. But yeah, we thought we'd give you a walking tour of the site.
Yes, so we're starting here at the entrance.
Yep.
It's just got a couple of signs here saying lodges for let, lodges for sale.
Maybe one day. Maybe one day.
So then there's the drive.
It's not a super big site at all, but it's got everything that you want, basically.
Yes. So just to the left here are some bins.
Yeah, oil recycling, and if you must be able to have tents for it because you can empty your travel toilet as well, but we didn't have to worry about any of that.
And then you carry up over the speed bump. Boop.
Yep.
That there is reception. It's not open all the time.
No, I think they run another site a bit further down the road.
Yeah.
But there's a phone number on a sign there.
Yeah.
And if there are any problems, give them a call and they'll just come back and
Yeah.
sort it out for you.
But when they are open, they sell ice cream.
They do, yes.
And there's just a little park there.
Yep.
Not very big.
Not big at all. Like I say, it's not a massive site. There's not a lot going on here.
No.
But you've got everything that you need, basically.
Yeah.
Especially if you've got a dog with you.
Yeah. So when you come to the gates, once you've registered in, they have cameras that will recognise your car registration. The barrier will go up.
Wait, a white line and it'll just come open for you.
Yeah.
Nice and
then on the
easy.
way out, same.
Yep. Like Emma said, that's the reception. Sorts all your problems out if you need anything. But you won't because it's all sorted.
And we don't have a car, so we don't need to. Yeah. We think the lodges down this side here are privately owned. They have a few for sale. They all look very nice.
They do. And like I said earlier, maybe one day. Every time we stay in one of these, I always say, one day.
Yeah.
But yeah, I think these are private ones because our car won't let us in that bit.
No.
It'll let us in
drive around.
the other bit, but we could drive around, yeah. So that's a for sale one. Would you say us?
70.
That ain't bad
No.
at all. I don't think it's that bad at all. Does that include the hot tub?
I don't know.
Maybe one day. Maybe one day. It is a nice one. You said it was lovely inside.
Fairly private as well, aren't they?
I love that. Yeah, I was going to say that all the hot tubs are privately in there. So like our hot tub,
Side there, look.
yeah, or tucked away in the side. So it's not like quite excluded, which is
Yeah.
really nice.
Yeah.
I think there's one we stayed at a couple of years ago. It was just
Right,
for everyone to see. Yeah, it's really
A
nice.
little bit like that one was.
Yeah, but there's nothing they
They've
could
got
do with
the-
that one.
Yeah.
But ours is like sat down a bit. And here is a doggy field where you can let your doggies have a morning walk.
He knows where he's going.
He does. All these are privately owned as well. And they got an awesome view over the Lake District. I'll show you in a minute. These fields here have got benches everywhere, so if you want to come up and have a drink while your dog plays. And you have that for a view. How awesome does that look? With a nice tucked away
Oh, cute.
bench. You got another one down there with the walls as well.
Okay.
And that's where you got your doggies to play, and there's another field just behind them trees where you can never play as well. So this is here where we walk Louis most of the time because he's tired, he wants to get back. But you can walk all down there, down that path and for miles through your Lake District, over your fields and miles. Yeah, but most of the time Louis just wants to do this bit and get back for sleep. No. But if you want to give him a rest, like I said, there are plenty of benches, and that one where we were just sat there behind the wall is a lovely one.
Yeah.
So yeah, you walk down here, go left, and you've got another doggy walk bit where we show you, and then we do a little loop. Okay, so that's where we just came from. So we're going left here. Go down there, this is a big loop, but we're going to go straight on to a dog walk. You've got another lodge just on wheels, also for sale. Like I said, maybe one day. And just here on the right hand side, you've got some sheds and that for people that own theirs and they can put stuff. But you also got a dog walking area. Very similar to the field, but it's actually a walk where you can follow. You can go on for miles and miles and miles throughout the Lake District. And then you got a big field where you can walk around, and just goes on for miles in a big loop and come back there. So if you did want to take a nice scenic walk in the morning, you can absolutely do that. So we head back through the gate back to where we just were. So just back where we were, we're going through that gate where Emma Louis stood. There's obviously poo bins wherever you just throughout the park, where the site where you need them. Through your skate. You get stuck that one. And I think now these are not these are the ones you can rent out. Yeah. So you can just walk down there and then head out the site, or you can go around to your right and do a big semicircle.
Yeah.
So what's there in front of you is a laundry, payphone and staff area, I think.
Yeah.
You do need coins. We didn't have any coins. So you've got a payphone there, but most people got a mobile phone now. And in here, you got a laundry room with washers and dryers. There is an iron. It is coins, like Emma said, and it's 50p for an iron if you want to do it on holiday. You don't need to bring any detergent or anything like that. It comes from the machine itself. What's really good. Back out. And then we just do a loop around. So we got, what's the ones ours called?
Your Oscar.
So that's
There's the Premier. We're in a Premier.
Yep.
And there's also Deluxe around here.
I'm not sure the difference.
No.
It must be. That's a big one, so I would imagine that's a deluxe.
Yeah, and probably regular ones if we're in a Premier.
Okay, yeah.
But I don't know the difference.
I don't know the difference either. Most of them, enough all of them, got hot tubs.
Yeah.
Definitely ours has, and ours the Premier. Of course, the deluxe will.
Yeah.
I just think it's a bit bigger, maybe. I don't think the deluxe allowed dogs in.
No.
I think that's why we didn't go for deluxe. But there, some of them are absolutely massive. So Emma was saying that corner one there is the deluxe. It's very similar size.
Yeah.
But I don't think we was able to get a deluxe because we got Louis.
And then we're back to
Then we're back.
beginning.
Yeah, see that barriers there is where you would have came in, where we showed you earlier. And that one there is the one that we staged for in last week. And it's been very comfortable and really nice.
We hope you enjoyed that tour of Flusco Wood.
Absolutely, yeah. It's not a big site, it's not a lot going on, but it's everything you need, really quiet, just what you need for Lake District for a week away.
Yeah, if you did enjoy this video, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, hit the notification bell, and we'll see you in the next one.
Absolutely, thanks for watching guys, take care,
Bye.
bye.